Alright folks, we're here with the ZhuZhu pets and they're gonna run around and race with a battle royale race. We have
Rye
and
Sabrina
and
Wilmer
and
Peanut.
These are our contestants today for this race. Are you ready, ZhuZhus?
Ready?
And go! And they're off. Look at them race up. Everybody's headed to the front. Getting kind of clustered up there. They better turn around. Oh, they got the jockeying going on. Oh, they're fighting. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them go. Racing around, racing. Oh, and he tipped him over. And he's out. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Getting kind of far apart now. Better bring them back to the center. They're racing around some more. There they go, there they go. They're racing around. Oh, going for a move there. Now get your hand out of the way. Look at them go, look at them go. Oh, they're going to move there. Can they do it? Can they do it? No. Peanut backs off. And, oh, they're going to try to push Peanut around. Sabrina's over there doing her own thing. Rye's here, goofing off. Rumor's been eliminated, and she watches from the side. They're battling, and they're battling. Emma, get your hand out of the way. Oh! Sabrina almost jumped off the edge. That would have been a sure elimination. Peanut's heading out. Look at that. Oh. Going over there to try to push Rye around. Or Rumor, or whoever that is. Oh, Sabrina's been knocked out. She goes over here and also hangs out. They're still battling. Peanut versus Rye. Peanut seems pretty spunky, but Rye's been getting in some good shots. Get your hand out of the way, Emma. Oh, trying to back up. Do the backup move. Rye almost tried to jump off the edge. That would have been a disaster. Oh, she got some good speed going. Oh, but a miss. Peanut's just doing crazy things. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, I think we're gonna move. Getting ready to go. Get a move. Get ready to go. Oh! Peanut tried to push her over. Oh, and then she takes off. Rye's hung up on the edge. Look at what is Peanut doing? I'm back and forth. Peanut's over in the corner being goofy. Here they go. Oh, that was a close one. Peanut's stuck on the edge. Does a little spin move. And off she goes again. Oh, the move right there. Peanut runs into the hedgehog. Here they are, back on nose as it goes again. Trying to push Emma's phone off the edge. They're stuck on the edge.
Who's hiccuping?
I think that was Rye doing the hiccups. Get your hand out of the way. Running into the hedgehog again. Oh, there goes Rye. Look at her. And Peanut, here goes Peanut. Come over here to say hi to the camera. Oh. Oh, Peanut dodges.
And the battle begins again.
And it goes again. Man, they're really going. Gonna have an ending here soon, I think. Rye's trying to jump off the edge. Nope. Emma saves her. Peanut, here goes Peanut. Here comes Rye. Look at her right up there. Close up. Get your hand out of the way. Emma, stop. Look at Peanut. Look at it. Spin around. Oh, here comes Rye. Peanut, Rye. Who could it be?
Rye versus Peanut.
Oh, we got a head-to-head. Oh. Peanut. Make sure. Oh, there's Rye set up. Peanut, get it for the kill. Oh, just couldn't do it. Oh no, Peanut's gonna jump off the edge. Oh no. Oh, it'll nudge Peanut. And just like that, Rye fell. Oh! Rye, oh no. Peanut fell over. Oh no. And the winner is Rye. Great.